I definitely feel fulfilled from doing those trials because I was able to see at an early stage how it was, and then I now get to use the final product in my everyday life. My name is Oren and I'm from Milford, Connecticut. My young life health-wise was fine. I didn't notice any issues related to my diagnosis until I was in the ER because my blood sugar was at 400. They did a few tests and came back around half an hour later and said I have type 1 diabetes. Initially, I was kind of in denial because I didn't fully understand that it was permanent. I first heard about an option for a clinical trial the next day after I was diagnosed. One of the people from the study came and talked to me, and me and my parents looked at all the information. I didn't know what a clinical trial was. They explained to me in general what they were. My parents were united in the opinion that it was a good opportunity because it could help make the process of learning how to manage the diabetes easier, and they would be there to support me as well. Having an already determined support system helped me consider the clinical trial more. I met the doctor and I met the coordinator for the trial. They were very welcoming and open with everything that was going to happen. If I had a question, they were right there ready to answer it. During the clinical trial, I thought the quality of my care was very high. I've participated in 6 clinical trials. Yeah, in all of them I was happy with the attention I got and the care I received. Every visit they would tell me, if you don't want to do whatever we're doing at this visit, you are okay to leave. I understand more about the privacy now, and I do feel it's important because while they have general information about me, they don't have specific details, which then helps me feel like I am able to contribute without having everything about me known by everyone looking at this research later on. It was very important to me that the care I was receiving would impact others, so whenever they needed my feelings on something, I always made sure to be as honest as possible. I definitely feel fulfilled from doing those trials because I was able to see at an early stage how it was, and then I now get to use the final product in my everyday life, and from my experience can hope that other people are also having a positive effect from it as well. I'm very open to participating in future trials, and I even have a note on my medical system that says I'm willing to do clinical trials. My advice to someone who's considering being a part of a clinical trial would just be to talk to the people running the trial and try to get as much information as possible, because it then helps you make more of an educated decision.